Okay. Hello guys. This video is specifically to my students, just to encourage you. I'm about starting a new journey, and I feel like probably maybe carrying some of you along if you care to join. Now, I just did today's trade. Today's 25th. Okay, and this was the trade I just did. Okay, this signal came exactly, let me check the time again, 4:27. Okay, that's another signal there. This signal came 4:27. Okay, you can see the signal also shows up on my app. If you go and check my app, you will also see the same signal. I just traded it and I've done 2 trades. Now, the plan is to just do 2 trades daily. That's just it. So as I'm seeing other signals does not mean I will have to do them. Now, this is one that is going on, and I think my auto trader should also have done its trade by now. So let me check if my auto trader, I'm running simultaneously an auto trader running a test trade, and personally I'm also trading. There should still be probably another. Okay, my auto trader has also traded 26th. Okay, can you see it has traded? You can see there is still more signal. Okay, it has traded 2 trades, 427. Okay, it has traded with $10 and it has traded volatility 50. The same signals that are showing up on my app. Okay, there is no magic to it. I'm not using another thing. I'm not using a separate thing. Now you can see this account is trading. I started the auto trader on the 25th, so it has done 2 days now. So this has used $10 to make $4. Okay, it has done 2 days. This has done 2 days. I was supposed to connect the copier to this, but I want to increase the inflow. I want to increase the returns. So I'm working on that. That's why we are on hold. But the one I wanted to show you actually was mine. Okay, and I want to show you that there is a projection, there is a trading plan. Okay, where is my browser? Okay, here is my browser. There is a trading plan. So all you just have to do is flow with the trading plan. Follow the trading plan. The problem with a lot of people is control. Most people want to trade and make a lot, yet they don't have a lot of capital. So I just want to show you so that you get to see, okay, these are today's trade. The same time, okay, roughly the same time, I was doing the manual trading and my Dollaris robot was also trading. Okay, so Dollaris robot has already done its own trade and I am doing my own trade. I've done my own trade. Now this is like 5 a.m. 5:30 a.m. and I'm done for the day, meaning I have made $20 and I'm close. Can I make more? Yes. Can I make more? Yes, but I'm not gonna be able to establish control if I continue to make too much with small. So control is what I'm after. The process is simple. Now, apart from me doing 2 trades daily, let me show you my expected projection. Okay, let me try and go back to the camera. Where's the camera? Okay, this was where I traded. Okay, me personally, I did this trade while my robot did 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. I did just this one alone. I traded it twice. When I entered the first time and under 10 seconds I made the profit. When it pulled back, I re-entered it again. Okay, how am I sure it's still going to go down? Because of the strategy. Okay, there is a different training for that. I don't have time to start doing that now, but I just want to show you, okay, what you can make from this. This is my trading capital. Okay, $300. I'm risking $100 to make $10 profit every day. I'm to just do 2 trades every day. Now this is the plan. This is what I'm doing. Okay, when I make profits, I've done today. Okay, this day, check. This day is checked. Do another day. For a whole week, I'm expected to make $100. So if I make $100, I add it up to my capital, continue trading, follow the same rule. On a weekly basis, I'm compounding, adding my returns, and at the end of the month, what do you think I'm going to make? Those are signals coming from my app. You can see those signals, and at the end of the day, I'm going to be able to make at least 463,000 there. Just starting with $300. Okay, so I'll be able to make 463,000. And guess what? I'm going to be able to withdraw. I need you to understand. I'm going to be able to withdraw 192,000 naira. Meaning I'm going to make profit and collect 192,000 naira. Then I continue with the remaining capital. Continue the same next month like that. Now I'm going to do this for a whole 6 months. I don't think what I have here is up to. This is just up to month 4. Okay, this is just for 4 months. Okay, at the end of the whole 4 months, I'm expecting to get like something like 7 million. This is just 4 months. It's step by step, trading your plan. I'm not wearing clothes. Okay, it's early morning. I'm not wearing clothes, but I like to let you understand. Slow and steady, one trade at a time. Even if you don't have money, you want to start whatever, all you need to do first, can you start with as low as $10? Start practicing. Start doing 1 trade per day. It is not compulsory. It is not mandatory. You do 2, you do 3, you do 3. Master 1 first. If I want to be doing 10, 20, if I want to continue trading, I can do that, but it's not going to help me. It's not going to help me. It's not going to help my plan. It's not going to help my projection at all. I've done this before. So if I'm telling you, it's because I've done it before. Don't bother yourself. All you need to do is very simple. Establish a plan for yourself and work with the plan. No amount, it looks small. It's not small. That's why you see me withdraw every time. Okay, I like withdrawing. I love withdrawing. I don't like to see the profit on my page. I want to collect the money and see the money myself. There is something that principle does to you. It gives you the motivation you require. Now, for anybody who wants to learn to do this as a full-time job, as a whatever, there is enough money there. Okay, I've just been having so much on my head, which I'm freeing up now. There is so much you can do. Okay, imagine I was doing this trade with $1,000. It means I can be making 100K every day. Okay, there is one that is trading. Okay, there is one that is trading, but he doesn't trade every day. It's auto setup. Okay, I need you to understand. Start small. Go to the TMN. You see the link on the video. Go there. Go and watch the video. Create an account, free account. You get activated before the end of the day. It's free for every first timer. You're having fun. In fact, I've been running free sessions since last year up till this month of February. So I need you to understand, is it possible for you to start making millions? Yes, but start small. Can I start from 1,000? Why am I not starting from 1,000? Because I want to build. I want to build that momentum for myself. It's been a long while I've done it, so I want to build the momentum again. It will take time. So allow yourself that time. 1 month, 2 months, learn and master this thing. It's not as if you were doing it before. So you need to incorporate it into your system first, and then from then you start moving on. So I need you to understand it's possible for you to start making 20,000, 10,000 every day. I just showed you profit of 10,000 now. Yeah, profit of 10,000 now. I showed you also a smaller account trading $10. That one has already made $4. Slow but steady. Don't rush these things. It's slow and steady, and you get to win more. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.